Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you how to join Elevate brain training app. First, go to your phone store. It can, if you have the Android, it will be the Play Store, and if you have iOS, you will have the App Store. Then uh, here you will find yourself in the main menu of the App Store. Click on search, and here in the search bar you will search for Elevate. So type Elevate, and here we will find our desired application. We will click on Elevate Brain Training and start the download. Now it will start downloading, but for you, if it's your first time downloading the application, it will require you the Face ID or password or some kind of authentication. So after entering your password or your Face ID, it will start automatically to download and install the application on your phone. So I'm going to just wait, and now we will open our application. Here it will ask you the in the iOS version, it will ask you if you want to authorize or give the access to the application to track your activities. In my case, I will just decline this, and it's just get started. And if you are already a member, you can just log in. So we will get started, and it will start asking you some questions, and just as you can see, it will just give you some choices, and if for your two choices or your desired skills that you want to improve. So I'm going just to click yes on everything, and they will give you some kind of tests. So if you get started, they will give you some kind of tests, so they know how to start with you. So just let's just answer everything. Match the word in the image. Protect, mount, melancholy. Mm, just ask, just answer the questions. Uh, average, and then after that, they will give you a scoring, and from this scoring, you can create your account now. So you can either associate your account with uh, Facebook or uh, a new email or the Google account or Apple account, and then after that you can start playing the games. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.